What's good, crime family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 websites to make $100 a day for beginners. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Yes, it's here. Go cop the new app grind gear right now. We have t-shirts, we have hoodies in all different colors. On sale right now at the App Grind store. Go cop yours right now. Don't hesitate. Click on the link in the description or the bio. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 websites to make $100 a day for beginners. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, I'm going to give away some free money. So please smash that like button. It really will help out my channel if you just hit that like button for me and help out all my videos. And drop a comment down below. Tell me what country you're from, so when I do my money making online research, I know that your country will be covered. And also, if you have a question about this video, drop that in the comment section too. And if you want to be part of the Grind Family movement and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. And to my returning members, I want to say to Johnny Cole, appreciate your support. All right. Before I go ahead and tell you about these 3 websites, I want to tell you this. The most active subscriber. Now, to become the most active subscriber, you have to like every video, be subscribed to this channel, watch all videos all the way through, and watch for a code word and type that in the comments below. Now, when you become the most active subscriber, I'm going to reward you some free money. So once I get to 1,500 subscribers, I'm going to pick from the comments I'm gonna go through all the videos and see whose name I see in the comment the most that put down the code word. And I'm gonna reward that person with some free money. And I might go ahead and reward the second most active subscriber with some free money also. So 2 people are gonna get free money, and all you have to do is be the most active subscriber. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the 3 websites to make $100 a day for beginners. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. I'm at the first website, and it says here, get paid to share your links on the internet. So you'll be sharing links and you're going to get paid for doing it. And it says here, register for an account and start shrinking. So you're going to be shrinking the link, whatever website link that you have on this website. And you get paid for every person who visits your URLs. And says place your links on Facebook, Twitter, and more. So what this website does is shorten links, and you get to put those on social media, and every time somebody views it, it's nothing. You're not selling anything. You don't have to sell anything at all. Every time somebody views the link, you get paid. Okay, name of this website is Adfly. So let's really go ahead and read a little bit more about this. Safe advertising, All advertising is strictly family safe with no pop-ups, antivirus, and malware servers are scanning the adverts 24/7. And see what else it says here. Low minimum payout. You are required to earn only $5 before you will be paid. We can pay all users via their PayPal or Payoneer. So it's a very low payout. So once you get to that $5 threshold, you can go ahead and withdraw that money out. But you're probably going to be withdrawing more than that because this is going to be some money that you can make real fast. So let's read a little bit more about it here. Okay, it says we offer a selection of simple to install scripts. Now you can easily get paid for every visitor who comes to your website. So that's how this works. You just get a link. So you can get like a popular, something that's trending out there, an article or some type of video. Come to this site, shorten it, repost it on your Facebook page or Twitter, and people will view it, and you start making money. You'll make $100 real quick. All right, now let me go to the next website. And again, to check this one out, you go to adf.ly. That's Adfly. All right, I'm on the second site. And this site is very popular. I've talked about it several times in my videos. And if you've been under a rock, then maybe you haven't heard of this site. But on this site is you provide a business, a service of any kind to customers, and they pay you for it. So you can so if you have any type of talent, like logo design, you can come here and sell your logos. If you have a nice voice, you can do voiceovers and make money. And if you're good in whiteboard animation, and there's several softwares out there you can use to do this, and you can produce any type of animation video for people. And if you have a large following on your social media accounts, you can promote anything for any individual business out there. And here's another idea you can use. If you have translation skills for us in different languages, you can do that. Or you can data entry for people. Or you can do book covers. So it's plenty of things you can do for people. And they pay out through PayPal. And I'm sure you probably know what this is now. Well, let me scroll down here. As you can see here are all the categories: graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio. So if you're good in music, you can provide your services here for that. Programming and tech, if you're good in that field, business and lifestyle. So name of this website is Fiverr. So it's easy to free to set up, and you can get started today, and you can make a quick $100 a day using this site. So go to fiverr.com. Now let me go to the last website. Okay, I'm on the last website here. And the name of this site is Kindle Direct Publishing. So on this site, to make money, you can self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. So, I mean, straightforward, to the point. All you got to do is produce an ebook and put it on this website and get paid real quick. And you can start making $100 a day with this. So let's just read a little bit about it right quick. Get paid to market fast. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. Make more money, earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, and more. Enroll in KDP Select and earn more money through Kindle Unlimited and Kindle Owners Lending Library. And it also says keep control of your rights and set your own list prices. Make changes to your books at any time. Publish in digital or print. Publish Kindle ebooks and paperbacks for free. And get started today self-publishing with KDP for free. So you can just, now if you're not a good writer or anything, you can go to the website I talked about before called Fiverr. Pay somebody $5 to $10. You just give them their notes of what you want the ebook to be about, and they'll write the book for you. Everything, you're on the book, you have the rights to it, and you just take it to Kindle and put it on here and publish it. And here's the other good thing. Even if people don't buy your ebook, if they just look at it and read it, because you're going to be putting samples of your book on there, you get paid for people just reading your book. Because matter of fact, I do this myself. I got a couple of books on Kindle publishing. I don't get that many sales, but I still get paid because people read the book. And, so that if they read the book and they like it, I get paid for that. And if they want to buy it, I get paid that way. And how this works as far as getting paid, you set it up through your bank, and the bank and Kindle publishing, Amazon go ahead and deposit that into your bank every month. So here are the categories: business and investing, comics and graphic novels, education and textbooks, KDP Kids, literature and fiction, mystery, thriller, and suspense, nonfiction, romance, science fiction, and fantasy, teens and young adults. So you got several categories you can pick and write your book from. All right. So if you're interested in this, go to kdp.amazon.com. Okay, so now you know the 3 websites you can go to right now and start making $100 a day. So go ahead and sign up and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, hit that like button for me and help a brother get to 50 likes. Because if I get 50 likes, that will definitely help out my channel to get it out there to more viewers on YouTube. So if you want to keep supporting me, hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have a question about what I talked about today. And like I said earlier, please put down where you're from, so I can make sure your country is covered when I do my money making online research for all my other videos. And please share this all around the internet, because I want to help as many people I can make money on autopilot and become their own boss. And lastly, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. All right, I'm out of here. Thank you, Grind family, for your support. Thank you for being part of this movement. We're going to keep going non-stop. This is an unlimited journey we're going. We're going straight to the top and beyond. And you guys going to ride with me. All right, before I go, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Go check out my merch. Peace.